How to close a form on Google Forms. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your Google Forms and then go to Responses at the top, which is beside Questions and Settings. In here, you'll find Accepting Responses. Simply click on it. After it's turned off, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Same screen will be shown to the people who are applying to your form right now. Their screen will show message for respondents, and at the bottom they will find this application is not available or this form is not available right now. And this is how to close a form on Google Forms. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.